No word of a lie, guys. Wow, just under 9 hours use. That's quite impressive. Hello guys and welcome back to my channel. Today we have managed to get our hands on these Tranya B530 TWS earphones. These Bluetooth earphones are indeed available just now on Amazon, retailing around £35. That's around 46 in US dollars. Outside the box there's a few features, like having touch control and being IPX5 waterproof. To the side we have a contents list. To the rear, some more in-depth details of them features that are listed to the front. And these earphones do have Qualcomm aptX audio technology built in. Inside the box, well, everything seems to be very well presented. There's our 15-month warranty. Let's open up this little packet. Oh cool, we've got some stickers. And a very detailed user manual. There's the earphone charge case, and there's an accessory box to the top. Inside we have a micro USB charge cable, 2 sets of silicone ear tips, one large and one small, and we have the charge case itself, which is very well protected in this foam padding. Let's first take off the protective film off the front of the lid, and yeah, it's real shiny. To the front, there are 4 LED charge indicator lights. To the side, we have a micro USB charge port, and opening up the lid, it does have a magnetic seal. The Tranya earphones do have a distinctive look about them. The outside is fully touch controlled, and they do pull easily into the embedded charge sockets magnetically. Both earbuds will power on automatically when you remove them from the case, or you can simply press the touch controls on the earphones themselves for 3 seconds to turn them on manually. You should hear a voice prompt saying power on, as well as seeing them flashing notification lights on the earphones, meaning that they should now be in pairing mode. They do have dual mics and medium-sized earbuds already fitted. Connection with these B530s using Bluetooth 5.0 is simple. While these earphones are in pairing mode, use your device, go down and select B530L. If a pairing mode request is requested, select OK and both earbuds should now be connected. Now you can use these earbuds in mono or stereo mode. Controls are straightforward. Tap once on either earbud to play pause, press and hold 2 seconds on the right earbud for the next track selection, and 2 seconds on the left earbud for the previous track selection. Double tap the right earphone to increase volume, double tap the left earphone to decrease that volume, and when calling, tap on any earphone to answer or end calls. Pressing and holding for 2 seconds to reject a call, and for voice assistant, tap 3 times on any earphone to activate Siri, etc. Now, I've been using these Tranya B530s for over 3 days now. First of all, comfortability and fit was pretty good. It is always important to choose the correct size ear tips wisely, so to get the best desired fit and sound quality. Bass when using them was surprisingly good. We had some deep bass with good high tones too, in fact. I've got to say, audio was well balanced. Mid-tones were a tad over the top, but not too overpowering. Low tones were spot on, and that audio did sit well with most genres of music. And I've got to say, I was very impressed for such an unknown brand. The microphones when making calls were another strong point. Phone calls were very clear, and that is the same while using these earbuds on mobile games too. They had clear voice pickup without no muffled sound. These earphones were not only comfortable, but they were very secure thanks to the well-moulded shape design, which only ever needed adjusting with normal use a few times over a course of a few hours. They didn't make my ears feel sweaty, not even once, and I'd say at full volume, noise was isolated from the outside world. While using 100% volume, these Tranya earbuds got a massive 8 hours 42 minutes use. No word of a lie, guys, that's just under 9 hours use. Wow! That's quite impressive. And you can get longer by reducing that volume. The charge case is capable of charging these earphones just under 8 times. I'd say around 68 hours total. While on the go and with that Bluetooth distance, well, they did well exceed the 10 meter frequency distance specified without any obstacles being in the way. Overall, I do really like these Tranya B530s. The touch controls all reacted quite well and corresponded to their features. There wasn't any connectivity issues, for example with one earbud being disconnected, like some cheap TWS earphones tend to do. and even though they don't really stand out and they're not extremely stylish, I do think they sit well in a low or mid-range budget category. They are waterproof, I've tested them out, but I wouldn't submerge them into deep water, and I think if I was to rate these Tranya B530s not to my usual rating out of 10, then today I think I've got to give these TWS earbuds a rating of 9 out of 10. I gave 9 as yes, more than a few adjustments were certainly needed when I used these while training, but other than that, they're quite good, very reliable, they sound great, and they last a long time. I will certainly leave a link for these Tranya B530s in the video description down below, so if you want to, check out the link just now, and well, go get yours. While you're in that description guys, please go ahead and smash that like button. Make sure you guys subscribe, also making sure to hit that bell notification option, so you guys stay updated on all my new uploads. I will see you guys over on my new video which will be coming very soon, so stay tuned for that. Why not go ahead and check out my earphone playlist, which is available on my channel just now. There are a few interesting concepts and some low budget earphones that actually sound pretty amazing. So yeah, check them out, and well, thanks for watching. Peace!